Guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage and what I'm doing today. Today we're working on the beautiful single can turbo CRX 1988. 89, mine's an 88, 89. And today we are putting from hasport the battery installation on this beautiful CRX. We're gonna put it right here on the side, on this side of the car. So I'm gonna take the front door off. It's already loose. I just want to take it off, put it over there safely. And I'm going to take some measurements and show you all the measurements are, and should be bolting basically to the frame, and we might have to add some stuff up. So let me measure all that up before I tell you anything else. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit share. You know what it is, CRX love here, and it's the best time of the year here in Florida. Nice and cold. What do you think, guys? I'd rate my S2000 for a CRX with a JDM front end, LSD tech. My baby and paint it. You need a paint job. Bro, it's beautiful. It got slicks on it now. Yeah, got slick, as you can tell. But I'll be buying a lot of parts for the S2000. All this right here, you see right here, are my bushings for the rear, for the front, for the sway bar, and all that. And I also bought inner and outer tie rods that I didn't need it for that. So there's also a lot of parts arriving for this one. And right here, we got the turbo gauge, weight gauge, other parts, plus more parts in the back of the car right here. We got arrived piping. We also have bushings and that's 2000 cluster stuff. So let's get to it, right? So here we go. We have the plate. This goes right here like that. And it does come with 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in the back, plus these 2 with a bracket. First thing I'm gonna do, you should do, is grab the bolt, bolt it in. In this case, I'm using this. Just a mark it. To mark it, see what I have to do, where I have to do to make it better. If you go down here, I already marked it where I'm going to drill, and I'm using this rubber nuts right there for this bolt right here, and this is the drill that I'm using. Now on this side it's not flushing, so you can see I already marked it what I got to cut a little bit. So I'm going to have to use this one too and drill it open a little bit bigger. So when I put the regular bolt on it, bolt right in, no damage to the chassis, and that's the way it's gonna go. So right now what I'm gonna do, I want to drill this out. Again, I don't have nobody to help me out to film me or nothing like that, but I'm gonna drill this out, and then I'm gonna go to the chassis and drill that out. And after that's done, I'm gonna drag this nuts right here. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Put them on, and the rest is history. You can bolt and everything back on. So give me a few minutes and I will do that again for you. Alright guys, so you can see I'm at a little bit oval here. There we go. I went already. Let's take this with us. I went over here already. Made the what I'm supposed to make here. The rivets. Now I want to put everything together for you. I need to get 2 more screws. Hold on. Alright guys, let me show you, let me move this out of the way. Let me show you how it looks. Bolting right here, bolting right there, and then comes over here, bolting to the top. Nice, fucking steady. Next thing we're doing, we are dropping the battery. Here. Hopefully let's go right there. What happened when you need a cameraman. So we're gonna put it right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put it with just like that or flip around. Let's see. Yeah, that's the way it should be. I'm gonna put it right here, and then this is the last thing you guys are gonna do. You're gonna put this right here, Sorry guys for the shaking. I don't have a cameraman. One-man crew here. So anyway, you're supposed to put this in here like that, and then you got these little screws. You go here. Always. Always make sure that all line up before you do the final screwing. One. The other one right here in the bottom. And then right here. So this is the problem, not problem, but you make sure that they're all nice straight before you put the last, bolt on. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let me bolt it on. Any bolts on my hand. And there you have it, guys. Battery installed. You can see the bolts are right there. Nice installation. Odyssey mount. Nice bolt mount. Stay there. Now, fender's gonna come here. Clear that out. You're gonna run a positive and negative. Probably I'm gonna grab it and ground it somewhere to the chassis. So it'll be a short ground. Get to the chassis. Here, there, whatever. This one is gonna have to go to here, maybe in here or through here somewhere, and go inside for the positive. So there you go, guys. There's your battery installation for the hasport mount, or battery tray for the Odyssey battery. Guys, keep watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I got more content coming in for the CRX. Hit me up. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's make it rocket. If you see me out in the about from a CRX, say hello. Come and say hello, bro. If you want to be on camera, let me know too. I'll make you happy.